Hi, my name's Richard. I'm the inventor of the smoke deflector, and I'm going to show you something today. If you have smoke in your kitchen and you got to open windows or it sets off your alarm or whatever, we've developed a product that's going to take care of it. So first I'm going to show you what happens when you cook in your kitchen. Now, I'm going to go over here and turn the fan on full blast. Okay? I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit because that's the way I like to cook my steak. But what I'm going to do is, in fact, this red shirt's going to help you see the smoke better. So, here we go, we're cooking it. And I can see the smoke going straight up. I'm not sure you can see it yet. As soon as the steak cooks a little bit more, you will. But as you can see, I'm not pulling hardly any smoke down through here. And by the way, the same thing happens if you have a range hood that's above your stove. It's only capturing anywhere from 40 to 75% of the smoke. The rest of the smoke goes through your home. Okay, can you see that smoke coming up? What I'm going to do is I'm now going to put the smoke deflector on top of the pan. And here's what you're going to start to see. You're going to see all that smoke is being sent down, into the exhaust system. I have another video where I'm going to show you the same problem exists if you have an overhead range hood on there. Okay? And by the way, the smoke deflector is FDA food grade approved silicone, platinum silicone. You can wash it by hand, you can throw it in the dishwasher, it'll do anything you want. But here's a couple of things you need to know. This smoke has carbon monoxide in it, carbon dioxide, it's got carcinogens in it, and can help lead to, with other things, pulmonary disease, cardiovascular disease, and even cancer. You should not be breathing this in. Okay? So we're going to walk around here. You can take a look at this. You can see there's no smoke going up. All the smoke is being pulled down inside where it should be. It's going to keep your house safe, fresh. Research shows that kids growing up in homes with poor air quality are more likely to get asthma and allergies. Okay? So this will be one of many videos that we're showing here. A few facts for you. On this planet, over 4 million people a year die just from breathing the air in their home, poor air quality home. Another 10 million people develop pulmonary disease. These are just a few of the things that you need to know, need to be aware of. Get this smoke out of your house. The smoke has odor. Here, I'm going to take it off for a second. I just want you to see. Look, it's not, this is a $10 billion company who makes this stuff. And 90% of all the smoke exhaust systems do the same thing out there. There's over 80 million stovetops in this country, and most people have the same problem. This is why I developed this product. Okay? Hang on a second. I'm going to turn that over, okay? Turn that over. There you go. A few other things. If you want to, you can sear your meat any way you like. You know, if you put a lid on top of a pan, it comes out all dunky on top because of the moisture. It's not real appetizing. If you want to render the fat on a steak or pork chop by turning it on its side, you can do it with this. This also is a grease trap too. It's capturing all the grease and everything else. A few things I want to point out here though is when you get done using this thing, you're going to notice you're going to see a lot of grease around here. Well, guess what? That's smoke. It's smoke. That smoke is grease. So when it travels through your house and lands on your furniture and your fabric, it turns to grease. When it goes in your lungs, you're breathing in that grease. All right? So what I recommend is after you're done using it, just take a minute, put the smoke lid under the sink, wash that off, take a quick sponge, wipe this down, and it'll get rid of any odor that you have in the house. Okay? So we're going to leave it there for now. We're going to have other videos, but I'll show you one more time. I don't have to show you, you know what I'm talking about. Look what happens when you're cooking that steak without this on there. Should not be breathing this smoke in. Your children should not be breathing it in. Alright, so, and by the way, you should have one in your house, and it makes a wonderful present for those that you love and care about. They're going to be surprised when they see it, but when they find out what it is, they're going to appreciate it. Okay? We'll see you on the next video.